Hello guys, what's up? We are back again with another question from our DSA challenge series. So let's get started. So guys, today our question is basic calculator. So guys, in this question we are given a string which consists of some numbers plus and minus as operators and some brackets, and we need to evaluate that using some algorithm, and hence the question name is basic calculator. We can't use any mathematical expression such as eval function. Okay, so what we can do is, it's okay, let's understand this using a demonstration. So for example, I take an example. Okay, so I have to iterate this string, that is very clear. Now, since you know that plus and minus associativity is almost same, so there that does not matter if I encounter a plus or a minus. I will just keep on evaluating, and I will just store the answer. But what is the problem or catch here is brackets. Brackets tend to make the problem a slightly trickier one, and the application of stack as well. Okay, so let me explain it. See, if there was no this bracket, so I would have what I would have done. I would have just done 1 plus 43. I would have just done 1 plus 43 plus 5 plus 2 minus 3 line wise, left to right. But now there is a bracket, so I have to stop here. I have to stop here and evaluate this expression and then come back and add it up here. Okay, so the catch is that if I encounter a opening bracket, now assuming it is a valid expression, if I encounter a opening bracket, I have to make sure that I am evaluating after I encounter a closing bracket. Okay, so this is the catch here, nothing else. So how we can evaluate 43? Now, also you might ask, 43 is very simple. We can, whenever we will encounter a digit, we can have, okay, let me show you the code of this. So whenever we encounter like this, whenever we encounter a digit, now what we can do, okay, is digit is a function. What we can do, expression of I minus expression of 0. So this way we can calculate the current digit, and we can keep on calculating it using the simple logic of current sum into 10 minus expression of I plus 1 minus 0 until and unless the digit is there, and we can add it up to total. Now, okay, let's understand from code only. There are four options. Okay, either it can be a digit, or it can be plus minus, or it can be a opening bracket, or it can be a closing bracket. So if it is a digit, we need not do anything. We just evaluate that digit and we will have an answer as our total. We can just simply add it up to the answer. We will always add sign. We will multiply. Okay, so we will multiply the sign to the total, sorry, to the current sum, and then we will always add to the total. So that way we will manage the sign. Now if it is a plus or minus sign, so we will change the current sign. Now if it is an opening bracket, then what we need to do, then we realize that, okay, so now I have to wait for the closing bracket to evaluate the total. So I will push the current total, the total I have till now, with the current sign, of course, and make the total equals to 0 so that I can evaluate it back and current sign as positive. Now when I encounter, which I will if I encountered this, now when I encountered a closing bracket, then what I will do, I will just pop from the stack, perform the operation, stored total and stored sign, and simply add it up to the total. So yeah guys, this was the way in which I can do that. So if I quickly say here, so I encountered what? I encountered a bracket here. So what we need to do, I encountered a bracket here. So I will push the total, which is 0 in this case, and then push the current sign, which is 1 in this case. So first I will push the 0, then I will evaluate this. So first 0 will go here, then 1 will go here. Then since the sign is plus, so total will have 1 now. Now again I encountered this bracket. So what I will do, I will, okay, so I will not push this one. I will push this one when I encounter this bracket. So I pushed down this one, and then I'll iterate this string with total as 0. So I'll evaluate this 43 plus 5 plus 2, which will yield me what? 50. So once I encountered this closing bracket, I will pop from stack. Simply my total will become 51. Now what I encountered a minus sign and a sign. So I will have minus 3 as digit, and then I'll add it up together. So what I will get? I will get 48. Now I encountered a closing bracket. So I pop from stack. What I got? I got a 0. So I will pop from stack. And then the final answer will be 48 minus 0, which is 48. So yeah guys, this was it from this question. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Just in case you like the video, like the question, make sure you hit the like button, press the subscribe button, share it with your friends. Thank you so much guys. We shall see you next